Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Buffalo Wild Wings Southwestern Ranch Sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us again. I appreciate you being here from whatever platform you are joining us from. Like I said, we're going to be making Buffalo Wild Wings Southwestern Ranch Sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We have got 1 cup of mustard, half a cup of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning mix, 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's start mixing it up. All right, we have got our mixer, our little NutriBullet we're going to put everything into. So let's start with our mayonnaise. Our adobo with the chilies in there. And our buttermilk. Then we're going to add our ranch seasoning, our chili powder, our sriracha, ketchup, paprika, cumin, coriander, and our garlic powder. All right, put the lid on. And we're just gonna mix this up. All right. There we go with that. I've got some chicken, boneless chicken wings. We are going to try this out. Don't go away. These are beautiful. They smell fantastic. The sauce, I tasted it when I took the shot of the one with me holding it. Really good. But I'm going to take another one for you here on camera. There's, see how it sticks so well to that chicken. Got us a nice little bite right here. Right away I'm getting that chipotle sauce that's in there, that adobo. It's in that chipotle. Very good. All the other seasonings, the teaspoons of the garlic powder, the cayenne, and the chili powder, everything that went in there, you can taste it. And you can see it as well. The mayonnaise, the buttermilk makes it a ranchy flavor, texture, with the thickness and the creaminess of that mayonnaise. But this has really got a lot of flavor in it. So thanks a lot for watching. We made Buffalo Wild Wings Southwestern Ranch Sauce. It's really good, and now I'm getting some bite to it. So there is some heat to this. Man, it is good. I'm gonna keep eating these. You guys have a good rest of your day. Take care. Don't forget that recipe's down in the description box. Take care.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.